Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and achieve a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome viewers and subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. In today's video, the app we're gonna share with you, it's on Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app, RMP Tunnel VPN. So you search for that, RMP Tunnel VPN. And among the presented, please you pick the right app right here. So you take note of the app name, and also you take note of the app icon, so that you install the right app. And before we set up the app, please use VPNs responsibly following your laws. So to set up the app, you're required to open it, and when you open it, it takes you to its home screen. And as we open the app, let me welcome viewers, subscribers, that you are highly welcomed. So on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So when you reach in the app, you're required to set it up. First of all, you tap on this update button. When you tap on update, the app will present you to click on online update. So you click on online update. So the app will start to check for the available updates in the app, so that it can provide you with the latest configured settings, so that you can secure your connection. So after updating the app, you're required to pick a connection method. So for today's guide, we're gonna use the All Country UDP. This is because UDP is fast and secure, and UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. So just in case your country supports UDP, this option will definitely work for you. And also alternatively, if UDP is not working in your country, you can tap here, then you search for your country name in the search bar, then you'll be able to secure your connection. But for today's guide, please you pick All Country UDP. So after picking a connection method, you're required to pick a server. You can either pick auto server, or you can pick any of the presented servers. So after that, you're required to insert a super fast and a secure connection. You're required to tap on this start button. So when you tap on the start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect, and as you can see right here, the app is connected right away, and right now our connection is secured. And that's how we set up RMP Tunnel VPN with All Country UDP settings to get a stable, a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when we are online. Please like this video, subscribe on the channel, comment in the comment section, and let's meet again.